Hi everyone, welcome back to our Python 0 to Hero series. In the last video, we learned what lists are and how they help us to store multiple values in a single variable. But today, we are going to learn superpowers of list. Just imagine, your list is like a shopping cart. You should be able to add items, remove items, change items, insert items anywhere, sort everything, and that's exactly what we are going to learn today. Python has 11 built-in list method to modify, search, and manage list items. First one is append. Append is used to add items at the end. Okay, this append method simply adds a new item at the end of the list. Think of it just like joining the last seat of a queue. Very simple, got it? It will add new item at the end of the list. Please remember this. And it is very important and very useful. I guess you will probably use append thousands of times in your Python journey, so it should make sure it should be clear. Let's take an example. Fruits equal to apple, banana, ignore my spelling mistakes, and let's say fruits dot append, and inside append what we want to add, mango, and then we will print fruits. Okay, and let's see what will be the output. Okay, great. Apple, banana, and mango. Mango is just added at the end of the list. Okay, got it? It is quite simple and very useful. If you feels like asking any question, if you have any doubts, you can just directly comment in the comment section. Okay, please feel free to comment anything. So next one is insert. Let's move ahead and talk about insert. And okay, insert. It will add item anywhere. Clear? It will add item anywhere. What if you don't want to add at the end? What if you want to place something in the middle? That's where you will use insert method. The first value is the position and the second value is the item. Let me show you. Let me copy this again, and if we will write fruits dot insert, and let's take 1 comma orange. Okay, so let me print this first and then I will explain you what we are doing here. Fruits. See, the first value is the position and the second value is the item. One is the position in the list and second is the item in the list. So orange will be placed in the index number 1, at the index number 1. 0 at index number 0, apple is there, and index number 1, a banana is there. And after you will insert orange at the index number 1, then it will looks like this: apple, orange, and banana. Apple is at index number 0 and orange is at index number 1 and banana is at index number 2. Clear? If we will write, let's say I want to put orange at index number 0, then let's see what will be the output. Orange is at index number 0 and apple is at index number 1 and banana is at index number 2. So it is clear. Remember, first value is the position and the second value is the item. Now let's talk about extend method. See, it join to list. List. Okay. Let's think of extend as a friendship between two lists. Instead of adding one item, it adds an entire collection. Let me show you how. Let me print banana and apple. Let's store banana and apple inside the list. And let me take one more list, fruits 2, and inside this I want to store mango and orange. And if I want to extend fruits dot extend, and inside extend I will call fruits 2, and now I will print fruit. I guess it is clear what we are doing here. I have taken two lists, fruits and fruits 2, and I will extend fruits and fruits 2 together. Okay, it will add the entire collection. Let's see the output. Banana, apple, banana, mango and orange. In one list, all 4 items are added together. Okay, I guess it is clear now. Okay, feel free to ask anything in the comment section. It is open for you all. Okay, and let's now talk about remove. See, remove deletes an item by its value. It tells Python what to remove and it gets rid of it. Okay, so let me explain this. First, let me write remove by value. Yes, and let's take an example. Let me take one more, comma, mango, and if I say fruits dot remove, and I want to remove banana. Okay, and now print fruits. Okay, inside a list there are 3 items, apple, banana and mango, and I am removing banana from, and I want to remove banana from this list. Okay, let's see what will be the output. Yes, apple and mango. So with the help of remove method, I am able to remove one item. Okay, and I'm able to remove anything from the list. So I guess it is clear, pretty clear. So nothing rocket science is there inside this. Let's move ahead. Let's talk about pop. Okay, remove by index value. So this pop method uses position and removes uses value. Let me tell you how. Let's take an example again like this, and I will write fruits dot pop, and inside pop I will say which index value. Let's remove banana again, and so I will say 0 1. Banana is at index number 1, and I want to print fruits. Let's see what will be the output. Again same, apple and banana. Now as I want to remove mango, I will put index number 2 and I will print fruits and it will remove mango. The output will be apple and banana. So this remove method will remove the value. Remember this, it will remove the value. You have to mention the value what you have to remove, okay? And this pop removes the by index. You have to mention the index number and a value on that index number will be removed, will be popped out, okay? So that's the key difference between pop and remove. And one more bonus thing, if you won't mention any index value, then it will automatically remove the last value in the list. Got it? If you are not going to mention any index number, if you keep this blank, then it will automatically remove whatever will be the last value. Okay? Clear? Now next method is clear method. Empty everything. Again I am taking a list of fruits, okay, and again I am saying fruits.clear and I will print fruits, okay. It doesn't delete the list, it simply removes everything inside it, like cleaning your room but keeping the room itself. Got it? It won't delete the list. It will just remove everything whatsoever inside it. It will just remove everything inside the list. So the list should be empty now. With this method, the output will be blank. List is there, but nothing is inside the list. Got it? Simple. Another method, important one, is index. It helps to find the position. And again I will take the same example and I will print fruits dot index, and inside it I will say find the index number of banana, okay, and let's print this. It says 1 because banana is at index number 1. And again I will say find the index number of apple, okay, and let's print this and see apple is at index number 0. So if you need to know where something is, then you have to use index method. It will tell you its position, okay. Next one is count. And occurrences. Yes, this word is correct, occurrences. Count method helps us to find how many times a value appears inside the list. Let me take an example. If I say number, and inside number if I call 1 1 comma 2 2 2, oh sorry, 1 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3, okay. And now I want to print numbers, okay, dot count, okay, and 2. What will be the output? If I am using count method, it says it will help us to find how many times the value appears, and I want to check how many times 2 appears inside this list. So let me count 1 2 3 and 4. 2 appears 4 times inside this list. So let's see what will be the output, and the output is 4, correct. And in the same way, if I ask 3, check 3, how many times 3 appears inside this list? It will say 1. So count method help us to find how many times a value appears. Got it? Next one is sort. Okay. And helps to arrange items. We can say in a layman language. And sort method basically arranges values in ascending order from small to large. You can say A to Z in a very nice and organized manner. Always remember, sort method arranges value in ascending order. Make sure in ascending order like A to Z, not Z to A. Okay, remember this. And let's take another example, numbers, and I can say 6, 4, 2, 1, and let me print numbers dot sort, and if I say print numbers, okay, what will be the output? Output will be 1, 2, 4 and 6 in ascending order, like from small to large. Okay, clear? If I want to reverse this sort, then what will I do? Just I will write reverse equal to true. Okay, so it will reverse the list 6, 4, 2, 1. Got it? Perfect. And now let's talk about reverse method in list. And now I will take, these items inside the list, apple, banana and mango, and I will reverse fruits dot reverse, and then I will print fruits. Okay, so it will reverse this list like mango, banana and apple. Correct? It will simply flip the list. In a layman language, it will flip the list. Okay, let's talk about one more method, that is copy method. Basically, it will create a duplicate list, useful when you want to keep the original list safe. Then you need to create a duplicate list. Okay, and how you are going to use this method, let's take an example. Fruits, inside fruits, I have copied, yes, there is apple, banana and mango, and I will write new list. Okay, and inside new list I will call fruits dot copy, and I will print a new list. Okay, this is the new list which I want to print, and inside this list I have called fruits dot copy. Let's see. Okay, one more list is created, and apple, banana and mango. Perfect. So if I want to keep this list, this original list safe, if I don't want to modify this list, then I can create a copied one, the new one, and inside this list, and inside this list I can do any modification. I can play with this list. Okay, this method is just to keep the original list safer. It's create the duplicate one, so you should be knowing this also. I guess I have covered all the method. Let's quickly recap what we have learned today. We have talked about append method, insert, extend, remove, pop, clear, index, count, sort, reverse, and last one is copy. Okay, I guess everything is clear and simple. If you feels like any difficulty, feel free to comment in the comment section. I will make sure I will answer every question of yours. So, thank you for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.